Hey everybody, it's Neil. I've got wires going everywhere, so I got myself this. This is gonna be great. So what this is, it's little clips like this, and the wires will clip into it like that. You see, the wires clip into it, and it comes with a ton of these little, I'm just gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out of here. We're gonna give this a try here. So it's got all these, the little tapes, the little double-sided sticky stuff with a 3M, so it's got the VHB tape, so it'll be nice, and it does say VHB on it, so it's nice and strong. So we'll take one, let me show you guys what we got here. So I will take one off of the thing here. I will put it on the back of my device here. Did I line it up? Okay, so it's lined up like that, right? You see, like that. And then I just peel this off, stick it on, and then I can run my wire through there. So that's what I'll be running for different things around the house. So all my extension cords and things like that are now gonna be stuck up under the desks and put along the edges of the wall and everything like that. So these are great. It comes with a whole ton of them here. I don't know how many, but a whole lot of them right there. So this is great. Totally awesome. Thumbs up.